In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add liquidity channels in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged in and you have your chart open on TradingView. It can be any market you want to analyze, like Forex, crypto, stocks, or indices. The process is the same for all of them, and you can follow along on whatever time frame you prefer. Once you have your chart up, look toward the top of your screen for the indicators button. It usually sits above the chart area. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where TradingView stores all of its built-in tools, plus community scripts and any custom indicators you've saved. When the Indicators window pops up, you'll see a search box at the top. Rather than scrolling through long lists, click directly into that search box. This lets you quickly find exactly what you need, which is especially helpful if you use a lot of indicators or switch between different strategies. In the search box, start typing the phrase liquidity channels. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list below to show anything that matches your search. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct liquidity channels indicator you want to use. Some indicators may have very similar names, so always double check the title and the author if that's important to you. Once you see liquidity channels appear in the list, click on it one time. TradingView will instantly add it to your chart. You should now see the liquidity channels drawn over your price action, helping you visualize areas where price tends to react or where orders might be clustered. This can be very helpful for identifying potential reversal zones, targets, or areas where you expect volatility. After the indicator is added, you can customize it if you want. On the chart, hover over the indicator name and click the settings icon. Here you can adjust colors, line thickness, visibility on certain time frames, and any specific parameters the script allows. Take a few minutes to tweak these settings so the channels are easy to read without cluttering your chart. If you're using TradingView Pro, you'll notice that running multiple indicators and layouts is smoother and less limited than on the free version. If you're not on Pro yet and you want to follow along with the same flexibility I'm using, check out my affiliate link in the description. It gives you a simple way to upgrade and support the channel at the same time. Once everything looks good, zoom in and out of the chart and watch how those liquidity channels interact with price. Over time, you'll get a feel for how to use them as part of your overall trading plan.